Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Game.
Game na yan.
1, 2, 3. Go. Walang madayan. Nasa gitna lang.
Baba talaga, baba.
Baba talaga. 1, 2, 3, go. Oy, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ay, tama na. Uy, ba't talaga may kagagat? Ba't kinagat? Ba't may...
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, dali! 1, 2, 3, go! Patay ako mga kanto dito!
Matinong ka, may baso!
1, 2, 3, go! Sabi mo pa ano? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three.
Wait!
One, two, three.
Takot makalaw dito?
One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay naman. One, two, three. One, two, three.
Uy, ba't manok? Tatak mo yung manok. Tatak mo yung manok.
One, two, three. One, two, three.
Doon kayo!
One, two, three.
Tuwag na ako!
One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. Hoy! Hoy! Bawal! Ano?
Tingnan.
Okay, okay, okay. Ano ba ito? One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three.
Una ka? Una yung mga basketball.
One, two, three. One, two, three.
Pinuman ko.
Okay lang. Ano yan? Agawan na. One, two, three. Ah! Okay, one, two, three.
Bakit ako? Huwag na tayo.
One, two, three. 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 One, two, three.
Manok!
Ay, huli ka! Madaya! Madaya! Bawal ka mali! Medyo mali! Madaya ka eh!
Tama lang ah.